introduced outsourced work, employee training, switch to variable pay plan, and expand operation. After that, we will study succession planning. Basically, in succession planning, some management positions are very important for organization, and we cannot afford to have vacant in that particular position. Then I'm going to describe a purpose of succession planning. That what is the purpose of succession planning? Basically, it facilitates the transition when employee leaves and identify the development need, employee potential, and career planning, and assist in career planning. If we see in the world, many organizations fail to implement succession planning due to many reasons. Now, moving towards another slide, those are hires unapparent. Hires unapparent, in which experts are looking changing needs for leadership in 21st century, and corporate world's concentration on cost cutting and downsizing. After that, a lack of attention to developing leaders from within, and blame inattention to succession planning on. After that, in recent past, all situation to succession planning, we cannot work because of increasing complexity of organization processes and functions. First of all, organizations should have to develop an executive who can cope the globalization and adjust the organization according to the climate change. Moving towards another slide, that is further elaborate succession planning design shift. These key shifts are mentioned. Firstly, in which organization should identify strategies, capabilities, and related to key position, and develop leadership models, and place initiative for individual, and develop a process that are simple and clear for implementation of lower level employees. After that, there are some succession system and it needs vary from business to business. Overall strategies should be aligned with HR processes, and organizations should analyze and evaluate potential leaders capabilities, and are we can see that are they prepared for executive position. After that, be owned by senior management and deal with diversity issues and changing demographic. Organization must analyze demographic changes and align organization accordingly, and deal with diversity issues and changing demographic, and measurably add value and contribute to business success. Further, there are some strategic level of HR. Five things must be included in all the strategies of HR. They must be for long time period, comprehensive, plan, integrated, high value. In long term, is activity conceptualized as long term value. We can see that, and we check does it cover entire organization or isolate components, and we also check is it thought out ahead of time, and is it well documented. And after that, does it provide basics for integrated, multifaceted activities that might otherwise be fragmented and disconnected? And we check high value added. Does it focus on critical business success issues or on things that must be done but are not critical? Further, it elaborate operationally active HR focuses on implementation, and it deals with demand, and for HR. And for HR, We developing cultural and technical capabilities necessary for long-term success, and it provide techniques and ways for the long-term strategies by providing change management support for tactical activities. HR practices are designed for these specific unit. In another slide, some cultural characteristics may reduce the farm performance, so we should eliminate these cultural practices, and this decision help to develop a successful HR process, and we review all the steps actively. In the last slide, every functional areas of an organization have a different need or requirement, so enhancing and enriching HR agenda and strategies alternative also define company should develop internal capabilities to make organization more strengthened and face the external environment and create internal capabilities based on future external environment requirements. That's all for this chapter.